December 9, 2022, ang ating kababayan na si John Ray Baniel Villar, tubong Libak, Sultan Kudarat, ay nakaharap ang alias Mr. Smile ng bansang Uganda na si Remy Iga. Paglalabanan nila dito mga idol bossing ang titulong Asian Boxing Federation Featherweight. Ginanap ang kanilang laban sa Motospace Dubai Investment Park sa bansang Dubai. Maganda ang pinakitang performance ng Pinoy dito mga boss. Sa loob lamang ng round 1 ay katakot-takot ang ginawa ng Pinoy. Pinabagsak ang kalaban ng 3 beses gamit ang maladilubyong kaliwa nito. Nanimoy si Manny Pacquiao ang lumaban sa ibabaw ng lona. Ginawa na ng referee ang lahat ng paraan para makapagpahinga ang kalaban, ngunit pagdating sa bakbakan ay binagsakan na naman ng ating kababayan. Ang ating kababayan mga boss na si Ray Villar ay may kartadang 8 panalo, may 6 na talo, may 1 tabla at 3 dito ay tinapos via knockout. Samantala ang kalaban naman mga boss na si Remy Iga ay may kartadang 12 panalo, may 5 talo at 6 dito ay tinapos via knockout. Huwag na natin patagalin to mga lods, bakbakan agad.
Round 1.
second one, my opponent, since I didn't underestimate him. I know he practiced a lot for me to be this belt. He's young. There's a lot of fight for him. Okay, bro, I know you're young. There's a lot of fight for you. Don't give up. That's my advice, bro. You're young. A lot of fight. No, don't give up. And the next, thank you also to my coach. Yeah, he helped me. The Filipino community here. Thank you so much. Papay and Tita, thank you so much for helping me. His husband, my fiancé, coming wife, non-stop for supporting me. Thank you so much. And second one, I don't know, for my matchmaker, is done because I won this belt. I'm waiting. Any Bangladesh fan wish you? Thank you, John Ray Miller. He's waiting. Who's next? So now I'm with Hassan Sikdar. Hassan Sikdar, how was the experience coming into this fight?
আমি এক্সপেক্ট করি না এরকম হয় আমার মানে ভালো ছিল ইনশাআল্লাহ সাথে ভালো আছে ইয়েস আমরা তো মাত্র শুরু করলাম নাকি বলতে বাংলাদেশ প্রফেশনাল বক্সিং সোসাইটি মাত্র 2 years so ইনশাআল্লাহ next 2 and 3 years আমরা বিদেশে মাটিতে এইভাবে টাইগার নিয়ে আসবো ইনশাআল্লাহ
Hanggang dito na lang muna ang ating video ngayon mga idol bossing. Maraming salamat sa inyong suporta. Mabuhay, ingat po, and God bless.